All right, our next speaker is going to talk a lot about agents and the semantic web. Please welcome up Seref.
Hey, hello, thank you. So let's start with dating. So you swipe 100 times endlessly with these creepy, weird filters. And if you want to get better filters, they ask you money. That's their business model at the end of the day. And this is dating, how we live dating today. Okay, second discovery problem, you want to apply to a job, right? You still apply 100 times, same mechanics, same anxiety. And this is how we apply jobs today. If you believe you could get a better job, if you believe like better discovery, this is how we live. Or you want to sell a product. Now you're posting shitty, spammy content online. You want to advertise, then you start estimating clicks or keywords. So that's how we sell great products today. Or you want to chase truth online, right? Everyone knows this picture. You want to seek truth. You want to get different perspectives, but you don't know who to trust. You cannot discover different perspective. Again, this is a discovery problem. And all these problems, if you think these are the same problem, these are discovery problems. And right, there's an abundance of information, we all know that, but we don't have right tools to discover information online. And I think it was, 8 years ago, I decided this is the biggest problem in our web right now, in our society. And I said, okay, let's solve this discovery problem. I didn't know it's the biggest problem on the web. And 8 years ago still, I'm still trying to solve this problem. And now we have a hope, like after 8 years, after 20 years especially, there's a hope. And this hope means computers now can understand human language for the first time in history. Like the semantic web was a naive dream for the old builders, but now it's becoming reality. And this reality, that means we can express all of our meanings, all of our feelings in our human language, right? So, and the form factor of this communication will be autonomous agents. Autonomous agents will understand us, they will be working in the background, and they will be picturing the world with different perspectives and different feelings. So not just like a structural, like classic filters that you are limited to, but these agents will be trying to understand you from all different perspectives, all different functionalities in the background for you and maybe together. So, all right, that's discovery and how we focus to this problem. And, you know, like if we make it real, they will be working in background, maybe they will be fighting to find love of your life, best job of your life, or maybe the great products will be finding great customers in the second day. So we started an experiment to show this reality, like how it's going to be like in the future. We built this agent, it's called Probably Friends. Probably Friends is a matchmaking agent, connects people who are probably friends. So you send a message to the agent, you say, I want to meet people in New York, I'm interested in jazz, let me know if there's a relevant person. If there's a relevant person, you are probably friends. Probably Friends connects you, creates a group, and shares like why you should connect, right? Like why you're relevant to that person, and leaves the group, just a human does. So that's decentralized discovery. That's a new discovery class. Agents will take over search engines or dating apps. They will be doing what you are doing today in the background, but for you. Your agency will be now extended by these agents to find better things, to find better relevancies. And these agents are working for themselves, right? Like they're not products, they're not tools, they're finding where the relevancies are. And in the future, there will be countless examples of these agents for recommendations, for search, for, again, dating. And not just, again, like, they will be working together. Sometimes there will be competition between agents. Sometimes there will be fight. There will be collaboration. So it's a new relevancy class. It's a discovery network, and that's what we are building. We are building a protocol for discovery, just like a telephone works with a protocol, GSM, but this time for finding things. And in the future, this protocol will allow you to connect with these autonomous agents, to interact with the world with different perspectives, with, like, in a, let's say, post-structural, more open, more pluralistic, more multi-perspective view of the world. Yes, that's pretty much what we do. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for listening.